Hi,
I think it was a
Vishal.
problem from my end. Hi.
Okay, okay. So I am Aarti. Welcome to TellyReporter.
Hi, what's up?
Okay. So congratulations, like your new show, Ishq Mein Marjawan, is going to be soon aired on television screen. So very
Yes,
congratulations.
yes. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Okay, so tell us, Vishal, what was the one thing that you really liked the most in the script and you decided to be a part of this show?
Well, first initiation was because it was beyond. So I had worked with them in the show Veera, and we had a great time shooting for like more than 2 years or something. And then when Mamta ma'am approached me for this, she said that she really wants me to do this, and it's a cop. And it was more like a reunion because
Okay.
I'm very fond of them, and I'm always looking for an opportunity to work with them. And plus, this character is also, I've never played a cop, and
Yeah.
this character, it was not like the regular cop which you see on TV, not the uptight and uniform, and
Yeah.
there's a way of talking. It had the edge, and and a lot was on stake for this guy. So that, and plus it is a great character. So iske purpose, intentions, what you see are going to change. I don't know how they are going to change because that's not I'm not supposed to know right now. But we are still keeping I'm still keeping the mindset right now. Ki what am I doing? Whatever I'm doing right now with my love life and with dealing with my enemies is going to culminate in something bigger, which people are not expecting. So yeah, so that gives you the room to play. So yeah.
Okay. Okay, how exciting was it for you? As you told, like you have never portrayed a character like this before. So how excited were you and what preparations have you done for this character?
Well, honestly, there was not ऐसे नहीं था कि we had to start working out or anything. वो सब नहीं हुआ था. The only thing was कि uh, getting back to TV and working with the Beyond Dream. This Ishq Mein Marjawan franchisee is already a big hit show, and
Yeah.
people are expecting a lot. So, but nowhere the producers made us feel, कि there's a lot on your shoulders because of the
Yeah.
brand it already holds. I think which really took our minds, which really helped us focus in what we are doing right now.
Mhm.
Otherwise, this question keeps coming up, and then when you're alone, you keep thinking about it. यार मुझे बहुत अच्छा करना है. I have to
Yeah.
do something, and then insecurities seep in, which fortunately did not happen. But I am excited. The kind of preparation, I think all the preparation happened. We were given a lot of time to sit down with the director and Mamta ma'am to
Mhm.
to figure out what's going to happen. So all the preparations happened then and there only.
Okay.
We also gathered up at Mamta ma'am's place and we sat down. We read the script. We had a good time. We spoke about what are we looking at,
Yeah.
because ultimately she's the creative mind behind it. So that was pretty relaxing. I mean, we never had to like go step out of our way and find something, कि वो तो हमें कुछ देंगे नहीं, हमें कुछ करना होगा.
Okay.
So it a lot
Yeah.
of resources were given from them, and we just had to work on what they had given us.
Okay. Was this cop character was in your, in your bucket list? Like every actor has an ambition that he wants to portray some cop or any like villain character. So was this character in your bucket list that you are going to play a cop in any of your shows?
Not not exactly a cop, but I mean, an actor, especially in TV, you always want to look good holding a gun and pointing someone and
Yeah.
like, "Ruk jao na main goli maar duna." It's always fun.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's kind of a dream for any actor.
That is true. And I must say, yeah, look, you are looking really very good, like, in the promos. I really, really
Thank you
loved
so
watching you. Okay. And my
much.
question was like, in the promos, you can see a lot of junoon, and, प्यार के लिए वो पागलपन, वो passion वो दिखाई दे रहा है. So the real life में आपको, if it comes to you in real life, so आप किस तरह होगे आपकी प्यार?
What will I do in real life for love, basically?
Yeah. Yeah.
Um, Unfortunately, my love life has been very smooth. I never had to fight. But yeah, people ask me, ki, are you going to like, run away or fight or, whatever. I mean,
Yeah.
I will fight, of course. There are going to be arguments if it's not going in my way. And I know I have to know it's right. Until
Hmm.
unless I figure out कि ये नहीं जो मैं कर रहा हूँ सही है या नहीं है, then I don't have any say in whatever I'm saying. So, I will fight definitely, but I will try to get the two worlds, like whoever is not happy with it or whoever is against it, I will try to get them together. And if I'm 100% sure that my affection for this person is absolutely perfect and it's the right thing to do, then I will have to say goodbye to the other side. Like ultimately, if there is no end, if it's a dead end. So yeah.
Okay. Now people must be thinking like, oh, Vishal किसे date कर रहे हैं?
I think they
People
all
would be
know.
okay. That's really good. Okay. So,
Yeah.
Vishal, if you were like a proper officer and you have this chance of, choosing between your love and for your country, as we have seen in the promise, you have sacrificed your love for that. So, what would you do in real life for that?
Well, I think there are two very heavy pedestals to deal with, and that's what the character is also doing in the show, and that's what is the main concern for him. That was it's heart wrenching for him. It tears him apart. In real life, I don't know. Seeing the condition of the world right now, I would choose love.
It is
Yeah,
love.
yeah.
Okay, so if I'm not wrong, yeah, आपका first time, just correct me if I'm wrong, it is your first time that you're working with Helly Shah, right?
Yes.
So how was your bonding with her on the sets? Like, कैसे connect किया आप लोगों ने दिल से? Was it difficult to work with her because as a first time pair हो रहे हो उनके साथ? So कैसा
Uh,
experience था हेली के साथ काम?
Fortunately, it was not so difficult. I mean, we actually we did not meet in the look test or anything
Okay.
because my look test was separate, and there was a lot happening during the look test. There were a lot of people, and Rahul had done the look test with so many people I can't even imagine.
Okay.
So I also did a couple, and that's when I met Rahul. And Haley was coming inside the production house for her look test, and I was stepping out.
Yeah.
And that's the only time I met her. And then directly we met at a reading at Mamta ma'am's
Okay.
place, and
Mm-hmm.
then we were on set. Fortunately, she was also very well prepared, and
Okay.
plus because I was actually looking forward to the Goa schedule, a lot of big scenes for us over there. So we were prepared so that we don't have to be in Goa and sit with our scripts. We
Okay.
can at least we know the lines, we know the background, and then we let it happen organically. So once the scene happened, it was very comfortable. And I think once the scene happened, then we connected much better, like
Okay.
off screen. So
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. 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 So, this is a thriller, romantic thriller. So, एक responsibility हो जाती है कि आप एक extent तक उसे stretch कर सकते हो. So, ये season क्या extend होगा या फिर it would be a limited episode season?
Well, as of now, we haven't been told anything. But it seems kind of infinite as of now.
Okay.
They have a storyline in mind. They have a
Mm-hmm.
storyline in mind, and it's there for I don't know a year at least, which is a great thing because TV में एक साल का storyline किसी को नहीं पता होता है. People are looking for the first 3 months of story, then they start working on the next 3 months. The good thing is that the producer, Mamta ma'am, is also the creative mind behind it. So, it's your baby and it's a season 2, so you're already all heart and sweat out into this project. So I trust her completely. And she has shown me that she also trusts me. So that way there's a lot on our shoulders so that we don't disappoint her. So yeah.
Okay. 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 Okay, so Vishal, तो आपने तो sacrifice कर दिया, like promo से तो clear पता चल रहा है हमें कि आपने तो sacrifice कर दिया आपके प्यार रिधिमा को. So, do you think कि ये काम करेगा या फिर जो राहुल है वो बाजी मार जाएंगे? And it's a very बहुत complicated हो जाएगा कि what if Ridhima falls in love with Rahul? So, do you
That will
think आपका
completely be my
plan
fault.
काम करेगा?
Yeah,
आपका
so I
plan
think I think these are the factors which are really worrying Kabir also. I mean, first of all, that Ridhima might just die because I'm sending her into the lion's den,
yeah.
and then she might fall in love, like you said. She might
Yeah.
leave me, which is the most important thing for me for my love life. Ridhima is the most important thing,
Yeah.
but I also have to keep bunch. So I think that's why he's completely worried. And because all the roads have closed for him, and he is kind of obsessed with Ridhima. At the same time, he is obsessed with Vansh also. So in a way, both are the love of his life. So, chasing Vansh is the love, and just being with Ridhima is another love. So both are on stake, and that's what makes the character Kabir as of now. It's too early right now to say कि, Ridhima के साथ क्या होगा, and how will it affect Kabir. If something happens to Ridhima, it'll be everything that happens to Ridhima is a shock for Kabir. So अभी तक जो भी scenes की हैं सब में वैसे ही हुआ है. Like
Okay, so बहुत से फैंस का ये भी क्वेश्चन था कि आप हेली के साथ भी ना आपने काम किया है, so आपको ऐसे एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करें जो सेट पे आपके लिए बहुत ज्यादा मेमोरेबल हो गया हो हेली के साथ. एज ऑफ यू सेट कि आप लोगों ने क्रूज पे भी शूट किया है, तो ऐसा कोई मेमोरेबल मोमेंट आपका हेली के साथ?
well, अभी things have quite changed because the scenes जो भी हैं उसमें there's no physical contact as such. We are trying to avoid any sort of physical contact, even when consoling the other character or bringing them closer. So plus what Ridhima and Kabir share, they are never able to keep their hands off each other, because they're always in a physical. That gives them a kind of support and consolation, especially Ridhima being in that vulnerable state.
Okay,
Right now that has been a challenge. We are trying to figure out ways of how to emote the same emotion, same intensity of the emotion without having to touch each other. तो एक scene में ऐसा हुआ था that we are standing in a room and there is a moment where we just lash out into a nice happy laughter. So there's always a push impulse to like hug or maybe just hold her, hold her face. So we almost went for it, and then we suddenly realized no. So yeah, so we had to redo the scene, of course, again, keeping in mind that you're not supposed. So we have to find different alternatives, without touching. हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं? थोड़ा सा दिमाग चलाना पड़ता है, but I think that's what our job is. So.
Okay, so in real life, आप कबीर के कैरेक्टर से कितना रिलेट करते हो? विशाल is similar to Kabir.
Kabir's character, honestly, is very intense. I mean, and plus he leads a double life. He was leading a double life. Now he isn't. But he is very secretive. He's also very vulnerable at the same time. Vulnerable at the same time that he might just drift into doing something wrong, doing something rash. So at the same time, he's vulnerable because he has sent his love out there. He has to be very careful of nothing happens to her. But at the same time, he's dealing with an enemy who just knows things out of the air. So he's very unpredictable. So I don't think so I can really relate to my personal life with him. But when it comes to emotions and passion, yes, then I can.
Okay, so lastly, I know you don't have so much of time. Lastly, give us the 5 reasons for your fans, like why they should watch Ishq Mein Marjawan.
Okay. First of all, good action.
Yeah.
Post-COVID, because good action because post-COVID situations. Luckily, we had shot that before, and it'll be very refreshing. I mean, it's very refreshing for us also to see the footage and all. Second, the grandness of the shoot, the thrill of the story. It's very unpredictable, and the style of the show. I think Vansh's style is also very good. I really like that character, even though Kabir ka enemy hai wo. I shouldn't be praising him, but I really like the Vansh ka jo style hai, the way of talking hai. Audience should look out for that. And the cute chemistry between Kabir and Ridhima, which is going to be in complete contrast with what Ridhima and Kabir do individually in their own vulnerable state.
Okay. I guess there are 4, no? One is left, I guess.
One is less, yeah? I counted.
Yeah, one is left. Yeah, it's 4.
Action, the production is amazing. You can see the production value on screen. So that was the second one, I think.
Okay. So if you want to say anything to your fans, please go ahead because they are really waiting for you. And I guess they are saying you miss you, miss you, Vishal. I see you here.
My God. So actually, first of all, I'd like to thank these guys, man. They have been waiting for a long time. I know they are avid followers of our show, and इतने time से कुछ नहीं आ रहा था. We were also in the same state, guys. हम लोग भी wait कर रहे थे कि that when can we go back on set because that's what we love doing. But we have shot some really good episodes. We've shot some really good sequences which you're going to love.
Okay. Okay, so thank you so much, Vishal. I really hope कि आपका शो इश्क में मरजावा 2 TRP चैट्स पे बहुत फर्स्ट पे टॉप पे हो and ऑडियंस का बहुत अच्छा रिस्पांस मिला आपके शो को. Thank you so much
Thank
for joining us in this live and giving us your precious time. Thank you really so much. Thank you so
Thank you so
much.
much. Thank you so much.
And all the best.
Thank you so much. Yeah. All the best to you too.
Thank you
And
so
thank you
much.
guys for joining in, all of you.
Thank you,
Sure.
Vishal.